guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am with the fabulous, the amazing Izzy Hall. So today we're making slime, and we'll just like, I'm doing a collab with her, so go find out her channel, Izzy Hall, and yeah, she's the one with the profile picture that has zebra ears. We've tried Works experiment, but it's not worked. So guys, I'll just get y'all motioned and I'll be back in a sec. Okay guys, you know how I said me and Izzy are doing a collab? I meant a proper collab, like she's video isn't on the video. So I'm just starting this intro and we're going to make some slime and do this big slime. So definitely comment down below and get us up. They better slime. Let's do this. Oh, I've got some. It's just this. Yeah, no, it's PVA glue, and you need PVA glue, guys, to make slime, or it won't work. And yeah, well, I don't know if you've been using borax, it doesn't work. Guys, I feel never get borax in my life. I literally, but like it works for other people. I don't like this. Let's do lots of why is my screen in the book? I'm letting go. So guys, I have got my shaving foam bit and my glue bit, and then shaving foam. I'm making this Gillette. She really doesn't know anything about this, and it's the foam. And there's so much stuff. Yeah, like it involves glue. I'm just okay. I quite like this. I like to put things I made a slime slime. I wish I made a slime slime. Like you make slime, you do like slime and then you or a fish one. Guys, I'm making this with Eric because my contact lens session. I was doing a blindfold slime challenge, and then I spilled it all. You can have to use it as a fucking storage. Yeah, and I can try to make it. But yeah, I'm just not even done so far. So I just do that until I think it's good. Yeah, so yeah, that's so far. I haven't got anything here or anything. Yeah. So yeah, I'm really annoyed. I've got this ear wet solution, but it's just 6 in 1. Perfect. Yeah, it needs to be 6 in 1, guys. To both of you, it needs to be 6 in 1. So dab on the haters and dab on people, and that's not nice, but just dab on them. Just dab on them. Oh, okay. I'm moving around here now. Move over. Your view looks so much better than mine. So the guys, right, guys, say hello to Izzy's YouTube. So she's actually got her. Say hello to my YouTube. Or it's just say hello, guys. Go check out me at Richard Lion, even though my name's actually Anna. And you guys know that because you guys follow me. You guys are my babies. Oh my god, guys, this is actually working. I'm so happy. Yeah. So the other one did it. This is the first time Izzy's ever made slime. Well, no, it hasn't. I've made it before, but it didn't work. Oh my gosh. But then I have made it a proper time before. So I'm actually filming it on my new camera, guys, which isn't even a camera, on my new phone. So that's why it's a bit better of a view. Oh my god, my hair. But yeah, that is why it's a better view than usual. This is really bad because it had borax got lipstick over it. I love your face. Lipstick over it. Yeah, I had lipstick over my camera and then I couldn't get it off. So it was so. Were you like making a YouTube video while doing it? You're like, I can't get lipstick. No. This is overactivated, guys. 9% overactivated. But then I like mixed in it. I'm so happy. I'm gonna put a colour. Yours is like okay. Not like yours is like okay. Did you see that? This is the hardest slime ever. It felt harder, don't worry. I'm not eating slime, by the way. Who would eat the slime? If you do, then you're actually rank. Okay then. Shh, don't tell her. What did you do? Nothing. What did you do? We'll be watching your videos. So. You'll find out then. Right. Right. You've only done like 4 minutes and 20 seconds. I've got like 5 minutes. But I'm making another slime because
Yeah, but you started before me.
Well, I'm a savage.
Totes. Believe that when I see it.
So guys, I will be doing another video soon. I'm doing slime collection. I don't know how to do that. Because I've got like these huge big tubs of slime.
My God, man,
Because I'm a freak. Because I'm a freak.
Fine, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to edit in this all like at home tonight.
Yeah, I'll edit it, mine, because I really failed. I made this singing video, guys, and I made this singing video, and I put music in it, and the first one it was way too loud, and you couldn't hear me singing.
Well, do you know what you're meant to do? Turn the actual like music down.
I know what I tried, but like I can't edit mine. It makes it sound
Easy to edit.
Wait, someone's coming through. Dad, we're making YouTube videos.
Wow.
So this is my wonderful dad. Come and meet them. Come and meet them, Dad. You will be doing one of my videos with me sometime soon. That's not contact lens session. Don't know anything about contact lens session. Sorry about this case. Right. There's hardly any lens. This is my dad.
Hi.
His name's Richard Lyne. My name isn't Richard Lyne. So he will be in one of my videos again. I will make sure of that. And I'll put you guys back in a sec. VIP. Okay, guys, this is
sticky,
terrible.
So just like...
Right, guys, I'm making some more slime, and hopefully, Izzy's just so much better than mine, and I've made loads of slime. This is going to be a long video, guys. It is a long video. We tried to make slime before, because I said it didn't work.
I'm going to say if you want to come upstairs overnight one day in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We do that.
Yeah? That's it?
Does he even know?
Yeah.
It'll not be exciting, but...
Yeah, well.
Don't swear, please, because we're on camera. Amen.
Right.
Well, they were going to right then.
Yeah.
I'll think, okay.
You'll think about it when you're staying at ours.
Oh, okay.
So, like, yeah, you're staying at mine no matter what, like, yeah.
I've not seen your YouTube videos yet, because, like,
I know, I've not even
couldn't
done
find-
it, but, like, I'm gonna make an intro.
Okay. Oh, you've not even made any YouTube videos.
No.
Are
That's why
you?
you couldn't find me.
This girl's cuckoo.
No, I'm not.
Then why do you explain? I couldn't find you for a reason, you know.
I'm gonna make it video.
What is this? What is this? What is this? What is that?
I need to put purple glue in it. It's
Yeah,
not
you
glue.
put way too much activia in it.
That's gas. Open up the bottle.
Okay. So guys,
This is what I did. Oh no, they're making it too sticky.
this one's so much nicer. Like,
No, it's not. I've actually made it better than yours. Now it's going sticky. So, whatever I do, guys, let's just carry on.
this is my slimes. This one's super sticky and nice.
I will be
Like a
doing time lapse in one video.
I don't know how you do time lapse. Maybe show me when I'm editing this, and then it can be like time lapse, no thing. Okay. So guys, I think we're gonna end the video soon because like this is like the longest.
No, but then you can edit it back.
Guys, I'm gonna pause you and I'll be like
No,
right back.
don't, because then you'll like miss out some of it.
Hey guys, I am back and I'm just gonna add some paint to my lovely slime, but it's really not stretchy at all.
I'm gonna put more.
I'm ashamed of this, guys.
I've heard to put any foam in it. That's not even a lie. Like, I've heard to put any in it. You can look for it back from
I'm
my
popping
video.
some. I'm popping.
Guys,
what's
an
up,
intro-
guys? You popping?
The intro will be coming soon. Just like
This is your first video on your channel.
Yeah,
right?
but I'm gonna like bring an actual intro. Like, at
I'm
the start of
making
every
red slime
video.
like a vampire. That sounds weird.
You're an idiot.
You can like.
You're a disgrace.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna eat it.
I
Like,
look
I don't know
like
what to do.
Guys, it looks like I've murdered somebody.
Oh my goodness. Remember that
Oh,
process?
it smells wonderful. Smell it.
No, I don't want to smell your slime. It's been
You
my
can't
hands.
see my beautiful face. Better.
Maybe that's a good thing.
I have a pretty face. I don't know what you're talking about.
I do.
Or do you? But I'll be back when the stomach's in because it looks like a Okay guys, Izzy has hit 10 minutes.
We have been making slime for 10
Literally
minutes.
beyond
Well,
absolutely just-
making this slime for 10 minutes.
Look how pretty this is, guys.
You've hit 10 minutes as well.
Whoa. Oh, guys, we just hit 10 minutes. Woo! So yeah.
You need to have whatever it's called. What I really.
Yours is like okay. I'm not even gonna feel lagging.
I'm just stretchy.
Mine's just so stretchy
Done on purpose, by the way.
and beautiful and like my face. You make a comment and you will regret it. I will not pin you in my YouTube bio. How about
I
that?
need to put in your YouTube bio.
No, because you need to like link it down below so they can go.
Yes, in the description box.
That's what I meant. I've not been
Like this slime. Let me see yours, please.
No.
Yeah. Can you fix mine? Can I hold
No,
yours?
there's no fixing that. You can keep that. You can keep it.
Wait, how did you make it?
As I made a
Do you know what, guys? I'm making a new batch because I can do it quick.
Okay.
That's a lie, by the way.
This is. I don't think I'm going to put this. You can keep this. Oh jeez.
Can I actually?
Yeah. But I'm going to do a close up first. Wait, can you turn the camera around like halfway through like a YouTube video on your phone? I swear you can't let it flip.
Yeah, but you could just add it in.
How'd you do that?
Just put it like it's easy, Anna.
Right, watch it. I'll be right back. Right, how'd you do it? Okay, guys, I just swore
and then
on
like,
hers, and then I'll like.
I'll have to go on annual
Look how
fee,
pretty
then
this
like
slime is.
turn the
Pink.
volume out.
Freaking pink. It's my freaking lights. That was a bit weird.
Cannot stop swearing.
It's not swearing.
I'm not
Bleep me
swearing.
out. Wait, can you ban me out instead of bleeping me out? Because I hate people that bleep out, and it's so boring. And then
I'll just like turn the volume off for you.
Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, okay, guys. I just ate borax by accident. I look so ugly at that angle. Well, I didn't mean to. Right, guys, I'm gonna have to end that video there because that's like so much storage. It's gonna have to take me up. So, guys, this is actually a giveaway. So, comment down below whose slime you like better, mine or Izzy's, and also if you want to be comment hashtag giveaway if you want to be in this giveaway. And I will contact you if you win in my next video. So be quick because I'm going to announce it in a couple hours. Because they're going to give me their phone number.
And how they're going to give you their phone number?
Because I'm going to do something. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. How not?